Barbecue.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host Jazz, the one and only, I think. Anyway, today we're doing something. I really wanted to do this, however, I didn't really want to do it today. So it's been snowing, and I didn't want to do it today. I worked today, and it's been really cold. My feet have been wet all day in the cold snow. So I really didn't want to come out here and do this, but it's about the only day that I can do it, because tomorrow is going to be like, I think the high for tomorrow is in the 20s, but I know it's going to dip down to like single digits. Like it's supposed to be like 1 or 2 is the low for tomorrow. Today is when we got all the snow. Yesterday we got all the rain and ice. Today we got the snow, and then tomorrow it's going to be super cold. And if you can tell, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's cold now. And so we're going to do some snowdrift cooking. I got some steaks. We got some New York strips, and we're going to get the Smoky Joe out, and we're going to put it in a snowdrift. Actually, there's a little bit of a snowdrift right outside my door, so it's going to work out nice. I was going to do the one out in the alley because it's a lot deeper, but I want to show you, I always say all the time about how much wind goes through my alley. Hold on a second. Okay. Sorry, Mom. I'll have to call you back. But I wanted to do the one in the alley, but I always tell you guys how much wind goes through this alley, and I wanted to show you the big drift that's out there. Actually, let me just take you guys out there. Okay, so here's the snowdrift. I don't know if you can see it, but it's probably a foot tall snowdrift right here. We'll walk around it. And hold on, I'm sorry if the wind's really bad, but out here, big snowdrift. That's just all the wind just rips down here, and you know, you can see how there's like nothing here. Well, it's all over there, but you know, we got like a foot of snow. So anyway, I came back inside because I know the wind is horrible on the microphone, but anyway, that's just how much wind goes through here, that all the snow is just in like a drift, and it's not actually just like flat on the ground like everywhere else. It's just flat on the ground, but there's so much wind blowing through here that it just kind of puts a big drift right down the center of our alley. So anyway, let's go get the charcoal on the Smoky Joe, and let's get to cooking these steaks. Alright, so gonna give you a little tip of these seasonings I use on my steaks when I'm not filming, because I don't know, I don't know why, but I always use different stuff, which is weird. But what I'm using tonight is this Boar's Night Out White Lightning with double garlic butter. This is awesome. I have been using the crap out of this stuff. I love it. On top of that, we're using the Just Prowls Hardcore Carnivore Black. This stuff is a game changer when it comes to beef. So try this stuff out. Alright, we're going to go ahead and throw these suckers on. Fair warning, I do apologize for the wind noise if there is any. Let's go ahead and get these on. I'm going to put one right on there. I'm going to put the other one off to the side. pulling them off. All right, here we go. It's gonna be hard to do. All right, so these steaks are done. I will let you take a quick peek of mine, but I want to leave it wrapped up so it stays nice and juicy. But there you go. Look at that. See it? It's real nice, and I can just smell those seasonings in there. So we keep it wrapped up though. I want to make sure it stays nice and wrapped, stays nice and warm since it's so cold out here. But that's it. I'm gonna go inside, it's freezing, and I'm gonna eat me some steaks. So don't forget, Hardcore Carnivore Black. This stuff is amazing. And the Boar's Night Out White Lightning with double garlic butter. These two together on a steak, you just can't beat it. Throw a little butter on top when you're done. Fantastic. So anyway, short video. Sorry, it's cold. I had some videos kind of lined up, but I want to throw this one in the mix just because it's snowing and it kind of makes sense. So anyway, we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Also, follow me on my socials, NewBQ, NEWBQ 2020 on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and NewBQ Backyard Barbecue on TikTok. And so you'll actually probably, if you go over there, you'll probably already see the little clip I did just for TikTok. So anyway, we'll see you guys next time. Hopefully you guys are staying warm, and we love you. Peace out.